I will mention sa ating lahat sa buong sanlibutan that there is really woman in the Godhead. There are so many supporting verses and many others that supports there is a woman. Jeremiah 44 verse 24 to 25 and 18 to 19, mayroong reyna sa langit. And in Revelation 21 verse 1 up to the end, ang babae nga nagtapak sang bulan, nagbisti og adlaw with 12 crown stars sa kaniyang parade nga nagsimbolo sa 12 tribes of Jacob. At nanalo siya sa labanan. And Genesis 3:15, mayroong laban ang woman versus the serpent. Kaya nga siya nagiging victory sa labanan na yon. And also in Genesis 1:26-27, mayroon talagang babae sa langit. And also in the book of Luke, and in the book of Matthew, and the queen of the south shall rise up in the last judgment to condemn. And Galatians 4:4, when the fullness of time has come, God sent for His Son, made of a woman made under the law. In Galatians 4:26, ang bagong Jerusalem, siya ang atong inahan. O ibig sabihin, mayroong babae. And Isaiah 62 verse 2, nanalo siya, kaya bagong pangalan ang binigay ng Diyos sa kanya. Her husband, nang sabi ng Isaiah 54 verse 5, and thy maker is thy husband. And also in the book of Proverbs chapter 8, 35 and 36, and also Proverbs chapter 8 verse 30. She is like an architect. She is a craftsman behind the God the Father who creates all things. And she is the one who decorated all things in this world. Yan po.